In an industry where reliability is everything, long-term customer relationships don't happen by accident. Here's why businesses across the Northeast keep renewing their generator service contracts with Weld Power year after year, decade after decade. When a hospital loses power, every second counts. When a data center goes dark, the financial losses mount immediately. When a manufacturing plant's equipment shuts down unexpectedly, the ripple effects can last for days. For businesses in mission-critical industries, the generator service company they choose isn't just a vendor, it's a lifeline. Weld Power Generator has been that lifeline for customers across the Northeast since 1951. Over 75 years in the power generation industry, the company has built something rare in any service business, a loyal customer base that doesn't just renew contracts, but actively refers other businesses and stays for decades. So what keeps them coming back? Most generator companies focus on selling new equipment due to manufacturer demands. Weld Power focuses on maintaining your existing equipment, and that distinction matters enormously to long-term customers. Weld Power leads the independent service industry by focusing on service over new equipment sales. With service as the core business, our technicians are the most important resource. This isn't just a marketing slogan. It shapes every decision the company makes, from how it hires technicians to how it structures customer contracts. Because Weld Power isn't beholden to any single manufacturer's sales targets, the advice customers receive is genuinely unbiased. The main objective of a manufacturer is often to sell a new piece of equipment. Their service department typically supports their sales goals. Weld Power's primary mission is keeping existing equipment operating effectively for years to come. Customers quickly learn that Weld Power won't push them into unnecessary upgrades or replacements, and that trust becomes the foundation of a long-term relationship. Ask any long-term Weld Power customer what keeps them loyal, and the answer almost always circles back to the technicians. Weld Power maintains the region's most experienced and highly trained team of service technicians, certified by the Electrical Generating Systems Association, EGS. Our technicians are trained and authorized to service all makes and models of generators and transfer switchgear. That cross-brand expertise is a significant differentiator. Customers who operate mixed fleets or who upgrade equipment over the years don't have to juggle multiple service providers. Weld Power's service technicians are trained and authorized for all makes and models of generators and transfer switchgear and are EGSA certified. The company carefully handpicks technicians to ensure the most comprehensive skill set in the field. One customer summed it up well. What makes Weld Power different from others is their display of high standards and professional conduct. From their office personnel to their service technicians, Weld Power is first class. Customers in critical industries such as healthcare, biopharmaceuticals, data centers, municipal services, and universities can't afford reactive maintenance. They need a partner who identifies problems before a failure occurs. After 75 years in the power generation industry, one lesson stands out above all others. Generator reliability is built long before an outage ever occurs. Preventative maintenance has always been the foundation of dependable standby power. Weld Power's approach to preventive maintenance goes well beyond running through a manufacturer checklist. The team understands that modern standby power systems are no longer standalone generators. They include transfer switches, paralleling gear, fuel systems, controls, and monitoring platforms, and preventative maintenance must address the entire system, not individual components in isolation. Customers notice the difference. "Thank you for being proactive toward our facility during this storm season and checking in on us," reads another customer testimonial, a simple comment that reflects a fundamentally different service experience than what most generator companies provide. Long-term loyalty is also driven by something very practical. Weld Power saves customers real money. Unlike many equipment manufacturers, Weld Power offers superior service while helping customers save significantly, often up to 25% compared to manufacturer service contracts. That kind of savings adds up quickly for facilities managing multiple generators or large commercial systems. And crucially, the cost savings don't come at the expense of quality. Weld Power is able to provide the same or greater expertise at a more competitive rate, without the heavy manufacturer pricing structures, leveraging strong supplier relationships and extensive service experience to keep maintenance and repairs cost-effective. For CFOs and facility managers who need to justify service contracts year after year, this combination of quality and value is a compelling reason to stay. When disaster strikes, the last thing a facility manager wants to hear is that their generator service company can't respond until next week. Weld Power has built its emergency response capabilities to meet exactly those moments. Weld Power's team is local, nimble, and available 24 hours, 7 days a week, allowing them to respond faster and resolve issues more efficiently, minimizing downtime and keeping operations up and running when it matters most. Manufacturers with national service infrastructures often struggle to match this level of local responsiveness. In times of crisis, Weld Power stands out as the go-to partner for emergency power needs, with one of the largest field technician teams and in-house rental fleets in the Northeast, allowing us to quickly mobilize resources when disaster strikes. Their fleet includes generator units ranging from 20 kilowatts to 2,000 kilowatts, along with a full array of rental transfer switches. For customers who've experienced a major weather event with Weld Power by their side, this capability is worth more than any contract term. One of the friction points customers often experience with generator service is managing multiple vendors, one for fluid analysis, another for transfer switch maintenance, another for load bank testing. Weld Power eliminates that complexity entirely. With Weld Power, customers get more than just repairs. The team performs fuel polishing, fluid sampling, load banking, transfer switch service, and more. All under a single service provider, streamlining vendors, simplifying maintenance schedules, and consolidating all power service needs with a team they know and trust. This consolidation is particularly valuable for multi-site operators in healthcare, property management, and education, industries where Weld Power has built deep expertise over decades of service. In the generator service business, longevity is proof of performance. Companies that cut corners, overpromise, or underdeliver don't survive for 3/4 of a century. Weld Power has been in business since 1951, with vast experience in the generator service industry, consistently earning high ratings and positive reviews from satisfied customers. That institutional knowledge, accumulated across thousands of service calls, dozens of major weather events, and generations of generator technology, is something no newer competitor can replicate. When a Weld Power technician arrives on site, they bring not just training and certifications, but decades of pattern recognition and real-world problem solving that only comes with time. Customer retention in the generator service business ultimately comes down to one thing: trust. Trust that when the power goes out, or when a critical inspection is approaching, the service partner will show up, solve the problem, and keep operations running. Weld Power has built that trust with customers throughout the Northeast. They've done it through elite technicians, proactive service, honest pricing, and a genuine commitment to keeping existing equipment running rather than chasing the next sale. That's not a formula that changes. And it's why so many customers, once they experience the Weld Power difference, simply don't leave.